What's going on, guys? Today, chocolate frosted donut Kit Kat. How's everybody doing? Hopefully enjoying your time surfing the Revrim videos, but new product from Kit Kat. Had to give this one a go. You already know. I mean, just gotta jump right into this and So, chocolate frosted donut, you know, again, you go to like certain big chain places, you know what to expect. I mean, it's right here in case you don't know what a chocolate frosted donut is. But maybe you don't. I don't know. So, we got the typical Kit Kat chocolate on the top, and on the bottom, some different colored chocolate. Are you guys a break apart your Kit Kat? Or you bite the whole thing like a savage beast? Alright. So, I don't really get anything special from the bottom portion of it. Like, nothing really sticks out on that. I guess that's like the donut portion of it. But the cream on the inside, altogether, this thing's incredible. I'm trying to like pull out like a negative out of this, and I can't. I mean, again, is it going to be that's a soft donut you're biting? No. It's a crispy wafer bar. But the flavors, I feel if I close my eyes, I'm getting the chocolate donut. So, this is very good though. I get the dough from it, that dough portion. I get the taste from it. Obviously not the texture, but it's one of those things that like plays a trick on your mind. You know, you're expecting like a soft donut with the flavor, yada yada yada. Very good. I can't say 100% spot on, but it is very, very good. Like I said, I do get the donut taste from it. I get the chocolate, obviously, on top. I feel like they changed the chocolate up a little bit on it to symbolize more of like the donut, but I could just be thrown off from like the wafer portion and the cream on the inside, giving me that extra like donut flavor. But guys, I'm telling you, you guys see this? Here's the nutrition facts. So we got 210 calories for the package. The whole package is serving. Not bad. But yeah, you guys see this? Definitely go out and grab this. This is actually really good. Yeah, not paid or sponsored. This is made by the Hershey Company, if you guys didn't know that, Kit Kat. Yeah, so if you guys like food-related content, head over to the food review playlist. And hit this like button if you guys enjoy this. And don't forget to subscribe. Take care.